In this lesson, we're going to solve a quadratic equation using the polynomial tools on our graphics calculator. All right, here is a quadratic equation. It is in general form, which means we've got a, b, and c in front of our x squared, x, and numerical terms. Okay, that's the really important part here, is that for us to use polynomial tools, it needs to be in general form. All right, we can actually solve this manually, remembering that solve means to find where it is crossing the x-axis. And we can do this manually firstly by looking like we can take out a common factor. So we'll bring 2 out the front, which will leave us with x squared plus 7x plus 10. We can leave the 2 out here and sort that into 2 brackets. Remember, by finding values that add to give b, or 7, and multiply to give 10. And I know that they are going to be 2 and 5, and they are both positive. So I'll end up with x plus 2 and x plus 5. In order to find the solution here, we need to assume that one of these equals 0. We know 2 does not equal 0. Therefore, to solve it, we must know that x plus 2 equals 0 or x plus 5 equals 0. Therefore, we can find if it was negative 2 plus 2, we'd get 0. So our actual solutions here are x equals negative 2 or negative 5, right? So this is what we're aiming towards if we are trying to solve it. So on our graphics calculator, there's a couple of steps. I'd recommend writing them down. We're going to be in calculate mode, and we are going to hit on we're going to hit menu, and go down to number 3 for algebra. We've done numerical solve, we've done lin solve, we are now doing polynomial tools, and you see it opens another menu. Okay, when we get there, we are going to find the roots of polynomial, which is the first one. It's going to ask us some questions. Number 1, always want 2 degrees, and we're not going to change that at this point. And we always want real numbers, and we are definitely not going to change that. So you can just scroll all the way down and click OK. All right, now this is going to give us 3 different numbers choices here, and it's got A2, A1, and A0. Now they are going to correspond with our A value, our B value, and our C value when we do our quadratics in general terms or in general form. So we need to put those numbers in here. Now we started here with 2, so we'll put 2 in, scroll down, put 14 in, scroll down, and we'll put 20 in. And then scroll all the way down to OK and press OK. It should come up to x squared plus 14x plus 20, and remember there's a comma there because we are finding the value of x, so all you have to do is press enter. Now the information is going to come up in a way that we're not used to seeing, so it's coming up in brackets. It's got negative 5 comma negative 2, and we can see they actually match up with our solutions that we found manually. So we need to be able to interpret the information that it puts out as well as being able to input it.